Trade of Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry and PhilExport Board of Trustee. Please help me welcome Mr. Brian Ang.
早上好，欢迎你们来菲律宾。Honorable Dustin Yang from the Taiwan Economic and Cultural Office, Ms. Josephine Shun, Director of TECO, Mr. Woody Wang, Deputy Executive Director of Taiwan External Trade Development Council, Attorney De Leon from MECO, Mr. Alex Lai, Director of Taiwan Trade Center in Manila, other Taiwan business leaders who are present today. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good morning. On behalf of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, I am proud to express our full support to the upcoming Taiwan Expo 2025 to be held this September 17 to 19. As the voice of Philippine business, we are glad to continue our strong relations with Taiwan. You are a valued trade and investment partner of our country. This Expo is one powerful reflection of the growing synergy between our two economies. We welcome this opportunity to bring Taiwan's most forward-looking industries to the Philippines: agriculture, aquaculture innovation, smart technologies, healthcare solutions, sustainability practices, and intelligent living. Taiwan Expo 2025 delivers tools and solutions that can directly benefit Filipino enterprises. The business matching sessions and innovation showcases will allow local entrepreneurs, manufacturers, and service providers to explore joint ventures and even technological transfer. Rest assured that PCCI, with our 30,000 members, local chambers, industry members, and SME partners, will all fully participate in active dialogue with the relevant Taiwan counterparts. To our partners at TAITRA and TECO, we thank you for continuing to choose the Philippines as your strategic partner. We value this relationship deeply and look forward to more years of mutual growth. We hope the next Expo will not take another 8 years. Mabuhay po tayong lahat, and congratulations.
Thank you.